Welcome to our exploration of Peter Eisenman's iconic House 2 and the life and work of the renowned architect himself.
Let's begin by getting to know the architect behind this groundbreaking project.
Peter David Eisenman was born on August 11th of 1932 in New Jersey, USA.
He pursued his passion for architecture, earning a Bachelor of Architecture from Cornell University in 1955.
Eisenman continued his academic journey, obtaining a Master of Architecture from the Columbia University in 1960s.
In 1980, he founded his architectural firm Eisenman Architects, which became a platform for his avant-garde and experimental designs.
Eisenman also dedicated his time to teaching, sharing his knowledge at institutions like University of Cambridge, Princeton, and Cooper Union of the advancement of science and art.
Eisenman's architectural approach challenges convention, and he is a prominent figure in the deconstructivist movement. He explores the intersection of architecture, language, and philosophy, infusing his work with intellectual depth.
Some of his notable projects include the Webster Center of the Arts in Columbus, Ohio, completed in 1989, the Memorial of the Martyr Jews of Europe in Berlin, Germany, a significant work completed in 2005, and the ongoing multi-phase project, the City of Culture of Galicia in Santiago de Compostela, Spain, which showcases his unique design approach.
Eisenman is known for his critique of the term postmodernism and its application to architecture. He argues that modern architecture was never fully realized, making postmodern architecture an inappropriate categorization. Eisenman contends that the modernist project was never completed, and therefore the idea of something postmodernism is misleading. His architectural approach is highly abstract and conceptual. He views architectural form as an abstract process, emphasizing the importance of theoretical concepts, compositional devices, and geometric abstractions. In architectural design, his work often challenges traditional architectural conventions, such as their reliance on load-bearing walls. Now, let's dive into the house too.
House number 2, completed in 1970, is a residential structure located in Vermont, USA.
It's a pioneering example of the constructivist architecture, known for its unconventional and non-linear forms. Eisenman believes in performing and conceptualizing architectural design abstractly. In House 2, he sees architectural form as an abstract process. He used a 9-square grid inspired by Palladium to create an unconventional structural framework. The grid is not only structural but also a key part of the design aesthetic. We can say that it's the backbone of House 2's organization.
Eisenman suggests that architecture should go beyond its traditional balance of function and form, allowing more flexibility and immobilization in design. House number 2 is organized around a grid, just like we discussed. It features fragmented and angular geometry using raw materials like plywood and concrete, often less exposed to highlight the industrial character.
The interior spaces blur the lines between inside and outside, creating ambiguity. The layout is complex and non-linear, and the interplay of light and shadow adds to the spatial intrigue. Its grid-based composition, fragmented forms, and complex spatial relationships create a dynamic and visually intriguing experience. We can say that Eisenman encourages architects to move beyond the direct representation of function in architectural design, fostering a dialectical relationship between form and function. This challenges the cultural assumption of functionalism and allows for greater flexibility and innovation in design.